Too big. It's starting. Yeah, I know. Hear the sirens? Whoa. Here's where I live, like 10 feet away from here. This is in Bluff Park. I know, it sure did. This is the perfect place to watch it too. Wow. I have never personally, personally been through, I mean, one hit my parents' house like down the road, but I have personally never been through one. I don't know how far away it is. Because I'm on Periscope, so I can't look at the radar. That just means there's a warning. You never know where they're going to hit, so it could, you know, they're just being careful. I don't know if they're getting a return echo on the radar yet. If they've got a good, I mean, obviously they've got a good hook echo to issue a warning. But, you know what I mean? Hi, I will say hi to your... Hi, Melissa. Merry Christmas. But it could also, you know, they're just making sure. Yeah, I'm not at home though. I'm sitting right across from my place because I wanted to kind of show you the storm coming in. I love it when the sirens turn on and off. I will. You know what? I'm in a place where they're not even very loud right now. So normally I can hear them so loud they rattle the windows. I'm in Bluff Park, yes sir. But look. Because we have two sirens right on top of each other. They'll probably start again in a second. Merry Christmas to Kazakhstan. They should start up any second now. Where did my star go? Yeah, this is Alabama weather for you. Hopefully you can hear it. Sirens start up again. Y'all remember the big F5 tornado in Tuscaloosa? Merry Christmas. Hello everyone. I can't really see. Yeah, we get them here all the time. The sirens should start back up again real soon. They do a 5-minute cycle. And right on top of that other mountain where you see those towers is where the TV stations. I know, I love the sound of the sirens. Hello Moscow, hello Italy. Y'all get tornadoes in Frisco? Wow. Oh wow, look how bright. Something just hit the power line. That's a blue flash. That's not a lightning flash. That's a power line flat. Do y'all see that blue flash? That's a power line flash. They don't know. You can't know precisely. Look, that's a transformer flash right there. Greetings, Canada. Yeah, you get that blue flash. You saw them all over when the hurricane was hitting. Remember? Yeah, that was a power line for sure. Hi there, wonderful. Where did I put it? Come on, the siren should come back on. I love those blue flashes. This is Alabama for you. We get tornadoes all the time. Warnings for Jefferson County. Yeah, I'm in Jefferson. That was really close. Hello, Peru. Thanks for watching this with me. Wow, that was a good one. Did y'all see that one? But look, I'm okay. You're still a star to me. Hello, Russia. This is in Bluff Park. Hello, Sweden. Merry Christmas, Sweden. Blessings to you. Okay, I'll do landscape for you. Please what? I can't see them all. Please what? I can't see many comments. I apologize. I don't know why I can't. Wow. Merry Christmas, sir. Hello, Finland. Yeah, I'm not too far from the fairgrounds, actually. Come on, sirens, start up for these people. I will be safe. Look. Star power. Yeah, when the sirens start back up. Of course I do. I like everybody. Yes, I'm about less than a quarter mile from Tip Top. I wonder if the sirens are going to start back up. Actually, I do know James Spann, believe it or not. The hook is dissolving. Not that I know of, but I did see transformer flashes over there, and everybody else thought they were too. He is the best. In the summer I am. But usually we don't get this kind of this weather in the winter. This is like every day during the summer, but winter it's really unusual. Merry Christmas to you. Well, tell Thor thank you for the nice excitement on Christmas. Y'all be safe. I love you all. I was hoping the sirens would come back on, because they're an amazing sound. Huge hook near midfield. Wow. I don't hear any thunder anymore. I think it's going the other direction. Yeah, it is. All right, well, if the sirens come back on, I'll broadcast again. Thank you for taking your time. Merry Christmas from Kentucky. The land of tornadoes, Kentucky. I can't see everybody's comments, so I apologize. All right, I guess I'll let you enjoy your Christmas. Thanks for watching with me. Love you guys. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I have to, because I'm parked kind of in a mushy spot. All right. Love you. Nobody told you they love you today. I love you. The siren, if they were in Homewood, I would hear they would have the sirens on. and they just turned them off. All right, looks like it's dissipating. Merry Christmas, Italy. S north wind. I'm not gonna say that. Yeah, it is during the Christmas. During summer, it's every day. Watch from the beginning. You'll hear the sirens really good. Well, I live on top of the mountain, so I'm kind of, whoa, I'm safer than down in the valley there. It looks like it's dissipating. Thanks for watching, everybody. Merry Christmas.